Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my recipe for a very easy Trini Chinese chicken that's done in the air fryer. If you don't own an air fryer, of course you can do it in your oven. So let's get straight into the recipe and let me show you. I'm using 3 pounds of chicken pieces. We're gonna salt, add white pepper, ginger powder. I prefer using the powder. You can use fresh ginger if you like, and some 5-spice powder. Go in with soy sauce, and I'm using light soy sauce. Do not use dark soy sauce. And start massaging that. Massage it really well. Guys, if you use dark soy sauce, your chicken is going to come out really dark. So try use the light. Cover and allow it to marinate for minimum 1 hour. Now today I'll be using my calm dough air fryer / toaster oven. It comes with this mesh basket, a rack, which is a regular baking rack. Then we have a flat mesh rack, and this is what I want to use to cook the chicken on. Here we have a tray, a baking tray. And the last piece is the crumb tray, which is at the bottom. So you have to close the door to get the crumb tray out. I like that the fact that it's on the outside and not inside of the machine. We have the function button, time temperature button, light button, start stop button, temperature time button, and the preheat button. So it comes with a multitude of functions, but today we'll be using the chicken wing function by turning that function button. Now I'm going to place my chicken on my wire rack. I didn't put it on the rack and then put it in because I didn't want the juices from that chicken to leak all over my counter. Hence the reason why I'm doing it like this. Once you place the chicken in, we're going to go ahead and set our oven. So, using the function, I'm going to go onto chicken wings. And then I'm going to press the time temperature button. You'll notice that the temperature starts to blink. You press it again and the time will start to blink. Now I'm using the temperature time knob to turn it to get it to 30 minutes. Once it's there, we're going to press that time temperature knob again, and using the button, turn it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and press the start button. So guys, just look closely. You will see how all of those fats are dripping off from the chicken. That's a good thing about air frying. You're getting rid of some of that extra fat. Now halfway through, I went ahead and I gave the chicken a flip. And I did this because I wanted both sides to have a nice brown color. Now the wing and the leg would finish faster, so I took those out when they were done. And I just set those aside and allowed the rest of the chicken to continue to cook until it was done. Now as it's done, we can go ahead and remove it. And that's it. The chicken is finished. Now it's just time to enjoy. Look how juicy, how moist the chicken cooked really perfectly. Nice crispy skin. That's what you want. And it was perfectly cooked on the inside. You see that beautiful color it has, and it's not too dark. That's because we use light soy sauce. Light soy sauce is a low sodium soy sauce. This is the leg. I'm going to bite into it to give it a taste. And I have to say it tastes really amazing. I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Make it and let me know down below. Remember, if you don't own an air fryer, you can make it in your oven. The link for this air fryer will be provided in the description box. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video.